So the problem with 맹꽁이 at this place, Bongsasan, is that many frogs come here when it's raining, and so the water fills up. These puddles dry up quite quickly, so the frogs often come here. The problem is that they often get stuck in this place, and this wall is angled slightly, so it's more difficult for the frogs to climb. To come across, they go to the next obstacle, which is the road. So when they're on the road, there's the curb, and when they're on here, they cannot climb. So I've been here many times to pick the 맹꽁이 frogs and put them back over there. They want to go to the artificial pond at the apartment complex that way and behind over there. So they try to seek out the water, but there are too many.